Namaste, welcome back to the new video of mine. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to make a messy hair bun in a different way. So the first way is, for that you will need a hair, obviously. Detangle them properly, and you will need a rubber band. Make sure that if you have a thick hair, then you don't need to comb your hair, but if you have a thin hair, then you have to comb it, and then you have to tie your hair high, low, whatever you want. Now take out the hair, make it loose from the front, and take out the baby hair also to make it look nice. Now what you have to do is, the hair which are remaining, you have to twist them and secure it with a bobby pin. That's it. This is the look. Easy to achieve. And the second one is very easy. It is all about the twisting, as you can see in the video. So this is the easiest one. You can achieve this look in a minute also. Now for the third look, take out the hair as shown in the video. Now again comb it and make a ponytail. Now you have to again loose the hair from the front and then twist the remaining one and secure it with a bobby pin. These are the hairstyles which are very easy to get. Anyone can do this. That's it. And for the fourth one, comb your hair and make a half ponytail, as you can see. And this is only for the short hair, not for the long hair. It will not look nice in the long hair, so make sure that. That's it. Take out the baby hair from the front. This is the look you get. Now the last one is, it's a very easy one and we all do in our day-to-day life, and whenever we feel bored we just go with this look. It's a very easy one, as you can see in the video. That's it. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, please do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.